To create a new body, click the Workbench selector in the top toolbar. Select Part Design from the list. Then click Create Body. A new body appears in the model tree. So what's exactly a body? Body is a container for a single solid part. It holds every feature that makes up your model, including sketches, pads, buckets, delays, and chamfers. You can think of it as the complete construction history of one physical object. Inside the body, you will find the origin. Just expand it by clicking the arrow next to it. Here you will find the default reference geometry. The planes are commonly used to create sketches, while the axes define the model's coordinate system. In the Part Design workbench, every feature belongs to a body. If you try to create a sketch without one, FreeCAD will ask you to create a body first. Keeping all related features inside the same body allows FreeCAD to build one complete solid model. If your project contains multiple separate parts, create separate body for each part. That's it for this tutorial. Next, we will create our first sketch.